Hello, welcome to an EagleSix Airsoft video. We're going to be testing this Tokyo Marui 417 Ngrs model. Obviously, always been popular these from day one. You never think they're going to sell it. Obviously, sort of the price mark that TM have gone for with them, but they're just such a beautiful replica of the 417 that they always sell well. These ones. Obviously it's next gen, so it's full metal. It's got the recoil unit, the blowback unit, the bolt stop feature. We've installed on this particular one quite a lot, so we've gone for a full level 9, which is everything. We've got the Gates Titan Advanced MOSFET for increased trigger response. We've got the Warhead brushless motor with all the advantages that you get from brushless motors. Increased trigger response, low amp usage, all those sorts of things, and obviously high torque. We've got the Laylax trigger pin here on the side, because sometimes the original ones can fall out, so we've put the Laylax one in there. Remember, it's not impervious to falling out. You still need to check screws to make sure they're tight and don't work themselves loose over time, that sort of thing. So we've got the Prometheus 407 Tightbore, an art hop setup based on the Prometheus purple hop rubber. We've got the Prometheus Air Nozzle, Prometheus Cylinder heads, bearings. We've got the Tappet plates, the red Epsilon trigger, which you can see here. So it looks quite nice against the black. We've got the hard double torque Prometheus gears in here. We've got the Prometheus Selector plate, spring guides. We've got EagleSix M105 spring. We've got AOE spacer adjustment. It's EagleSix one. We do them on the website. We've got the Prometheus gold bar kit to convert the stock over to allow a normal Dean's connector to be just a normal battery plugged in. Very simple kit that anyone can buy off the website, and it will just convert your gun over. We don't do any more of the cutting of the bars or soldering on of wires or anything like that. It's this kit is readily available on the website, and will just convert your gun over, and really there's no reason to be doing anything else, cutting wires or anything. You just put the kit in and away you go, and performance, as you'll see, if you know what I mean, is perfectly adequate. So no need for direct wires or anything like that when there's an easy install kit available. That's about it. We're going to be providing two 2600 LiFos with the build, and obviously FPS details will be in the description of the video. We've got the so yeah, that's pretty much about it. Obviously sort of highlights, I'm really liking the Warhead motors at the moment, so they're just a really great motor, and we always recommend promoting companies that go and make innovative products like that work and you enjoy. I've seen a lot of people buying these sort of China ones on AliExpress and that sort of thing, to save a few pennies. It costs a lot to make products. We're trying our best to bring products to life for these guns, and we go to these companies and we get the quotes and stuff, and you're into the tens of thousands to get a product made. And you just hope that obviously if you do that investment that you get some sales on it and stuff, and it just always saddens me, if you know what I mean, when you see people sort of going for either the cheapest thing or alternatives, or recommending somebody not to buy something when a company's gone and made the effort to do the product. What could happen is that all these companies stop making parts and we've got nothing, and we need them to keep these guns serviced and working. These don't last forever, and eventually every part potentially has a chance of breaking, and we need these aftermarket companies to make these bits and to keep our guns going. Otherwise there's no hobby without spare parts. So yeah, it's just important. But so yeah, support these companies that do the bits. That's all I'll say. So but yeah, lovely build, and we'll just demonstrate it now so that you can see it working. So obviously a real benefit of the wireless contact system that TM has done in these is that obviously there's no trapped wires, so we always recommend keeping that feature in there rather than gutting it and putting wires in there, because that's the whole point of making it wireless. So yeah, we'll just demonstrate it working now. fantastic trigger response. It's just like lightning. And we do full auto. Heavy. There we go, all tested and working, and what a fantastic replica, beautiful guns. We hope you enjoy it, and any problems let us know, but otherwise have fun. Thank you.